Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, I couldn't sleep at night. I couldn't sleep at night. मैं रात को सो नहीं सका. Second, don't forget to bring my things. Don't forget to bring my things. मेरी चीज़ें लाना मत भूलना. 3. He got angry to me. He got angry to me. वो मेरे से गुस्सा है. 4. I felt ashamed to see his habits. I felt ashamed to see his habits. मुझे उसकी आदतें देखकर शर्मिंदगी महसूस हुई. 5. He fell asleep at night while watching movie. वो फिल्म देखते देखते सो गया. 6. You made me happy. You made me happy. तुमने मुझे खुश कर दिया. 7. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. मेरे साथ पंगा मत लेना. 8. Don't poke your nose in the middle. Don't poke your nose in the middle. बीच में तुम अपनी टांग मत अड़ाओ. 9. You just stay away from this matter. You just stay away from this matter. तुम सिर्फ इस मामले से दूर रहो. 10. Because it's none of your business. Because it's none of your business. क्योंकि ये तुम्हारा काम नहीं. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it, and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you and or not. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.